How quickly can we track this Makhan Mandal?
See, the informers have been alerted. I have also put my contacts to use. The quicker we can catch this Makhan Mandal, the sooner we'll get some relief, you know.
Listen, you wait here, okay?
Sid,
Wait,
Sid.
wait. Rudra, stop him. Where is he going? Hey,
Sid.
don't get down.
Sid, control yourself, Sid. Sid, listen to me, Sid. Sid, let's go from here.
What's the matter, Sid? You suddenly stopped me. What's up, man?
Sid, let's go from here.
Wait, Rudy. I need to talk to Adi today. Listen, Adi. I won't waste my time at all. Tell me the truth. Why did you entrap Mithai? Why did you do that to her? What did she do to you? If you have a problem with me, you can deal with me face to face, Adi. What did Mithai do to you, huh? How could you be such a coward, Adi?
Take your hand away, Sid. Rudy, handle him or I'll be forced to raise my hand.
Yes, so go ahead. Do it. Let's see what you can do. Come on. Why are you stabbing me in the back, huh? Why are you stabbing me in the back? Listen, Adi. You have to confess that you were the one behind the base kitchen fire. Just confess it.
Sid, okay, just leave him. Calm yourself, Sid.
No, Rudy. I can't calm down. Adi, you have to confess. Confess that you were the one behind the base kitchen fire. Just confess to save your life, Adi. Just confess it. Confess it before Rudy.
Forcefully, huh?
Leave me!
Adi!
What have I done? I've just given an offer to Mithai. And what have you done? Modaks have been exploiting Mithai for a long time. Tell me, what have you given her? I offered her a shop. And anyway, giving someone an offer is not a crime.
Listen, Adi.
Sid,
You once tried to ruin my sister with a scandal. I could not pay you back for that because my grandmother didn't want any nuisance at that time. Grandma didn't let me do anything. And now you're insulting the daughter-in-law of our family. Huh?
Sid,
How dare you, Adi? Listen, Adi, the daughters of the Modak family are very precious. At least, this is what my grandpa's taught me. And I swear by my grandpa, Adi, I will expose every terrible thing you did. Just wait and watch. Let me find out your conspiracy once. Even you don't know what Siddharth Modak would do to you, Adi. Now go. Save your life.
You've made a mistake, Sid. Rudy, what Sid just did was unlawful. I hope you saw everything.
I did see everything. You might not know, Adi. The scene you caused at the PCG party after getting drunk, that was also a bit unlawful. But I was in plain clothes and off duty, so I didn't do anything. Assume I behaved the same way today as well.
Okay. Even I would like to see how will you trap me. When the truth is revealed in front of everyone, what will come out that day you can't even imagine. I will see you that day. What will become of Siddharth Modak's pride then?
That means you are involved in this conspiracy, right?
No, Sid. Absolutely not. I had only given an offer to Mithai. I won't say a word more than this to you. Let law take its own course. The decision will be made. Yes, Dad. Book a plane ticket to London right now. Immediately.
It is impossible to understand what girls do these days, Cookie. Rajiv does so much for her, but she isn't satisfied.
Nanda doesn't do any less either, Mom. And the thing is that you are a family of 5. So you guys only had a little time to think about and plan everything. If Dad paid attention to you or not, none of it mattered. But today's generation isn't the same. Tell me one thing. What do girls want? They want some attention, that's it.
You are a commendable parent, seriously. Just keep encouraging your kids like this.
What else then? Should I be like you then? I used to bottle up every sorrow and every pain after marriage. I never used to say it to anyone. Anyway, leave that. Nanda? Hey, Nanda. It's enough. Here, have some tea. Listen, Ratul has gone to bring Rajiv back. Stop this now.
Nanda, we can't see you in this condition. Will you at least say what happened between you and Rajiv? Rajiv has eyes only for you.
Yeah, that's why he left for home so early in the morning.
Why did you throw a tantrum last night? You stayed in my room last night and didn't go to Rajiv. Won't he get mad?
What's the matter? What happened? Hey, Sushma, why is my granddaughter crying?
No, I won't listen to anything. You have hurt Nanda a lot. Look, she's crying.
Very bad, Rajiv. Seeing Nanda like this is making me cry too. How could you be so heartless?
Nanda, Rajiv is back.
Nanda. Please don't cry, Nanda. Please.
So, Rajiv Kumar,
Nanda?
what's the matter? Why is my granddaughter crying?
Grandpa, such a chance doesn't come so often. This is just a show. It's all a facade.
Hey, Brother Rajiv, please talk to her. Look how she's crying.
Let it be, Ratul. No need to force him into anything.
Grandpa, please tell your granddaughter that she doesn't have copyright over anger. I can be angry too. This time around, my heart won't melt
Yes.
because I'm angry.
Dad, we are leaving for the shop. Tell your grandson the court hearing date has been declared. Hey, Nanda. Why are you crying? What happened? Rajiv? What happened? Is everything all right?
Brother, everything is fine. You don't need to meddle here. And Dad, did Siddharth go somewhere this early because I didn't see him in his room?
Even Mithai has yet to come down since morning. Is everything all right, Cookie?
It looks as if everything is fine. Your grandson has no worries about his career. His career is already over. That's why he's roaming around. Excellent. He will progress a lot in his life. Listen, Amarish, this nephew of yours is getting on my nerves nowadays. What does he want to prove?
Uncle, please ask your brother to do what he was planning to do. No need to worry needlessly about me. I've built my career with my efforts and I'll see to that. I've already spoken to my boss and he has spoken in the head office. I've mailed the Singapore office as well, so I'll make the designs for them from here. There wasn't any need for me to give you this explanation. I just said it because he will unnecessarily blame an innocent person and try to demean her. That's why.
Can I say something, Samresh? Enough is enough. Now stop it. Calm yourself and go to the shop. Don't take your decision on half-backed knowledge. Go to the shop. Amu, everything is all right at the
Yes,
shop?
Dad. Everything is all right. The new kitchen will be functional in 1 to 2 days. And as soon as this is done, Mithai can join as well.
That won't be needed.
What do you mean?
I have decided to appoint a new quality control manager. I've already spoken to a few people. After this scandal, I don't want to get Mithai involved anymore.
What scandal, brother? What scandal? Tell me.
Samresh, you are punishing Mithai without any fault.
It's okay, Aunt. I don't want Mithai to contribute to this Siddheshwar Modak group anymore. She will do her own business now. She'll have her own shop. And I'm going to help her. Grandpa, am I making the wrong decision?
Enough with this craziness. Samresh, calm down and go to the shop. End this father and son clash now. I will decide who will do what business. I'm still alive, right? There will be no further discussions on this. Go, Amu. You go to the shop too. Is this a house or a battleground?
As you say, Dad. And Sid is your son, like father, like son. Come on, what's the point of waiting now?
Siddharth, what are you doing? Tell me. And how could you say all these things to your father? Don't you think it will hamper Mithai's position? Uncle Samresh will assume that Mithai is the one who asked you to say all that. Man, the things you do.
You seem a bit upset. Where did you go so early in the morning? Is there any problem? No problem. We need to leave immediately. That's it. You know what?
Uncle Bishwas has called me.
Oh, okay. We're thinking what not. Get ready then, Mithai.
Grandpa, I'm leaving. I have to act very normal. I have to explain everything to Tosha. I just can't deal with this tension anymore. Even that Mr. Vishwas is an experienced lawyer.
What did Mr. Bishwas say? Will everything be all right?
Why won't it be all right, Grandpa? In any case, I would prove to your elder son that Mithai is innocent. No one needs to be worried. Hey, Nanda. Why are you sitting like that?
What else will she say? They have been fighting since last night. And even Rajiv is.
Brother Rajiv, enough now. Even Sid could realize Nanda's condition. Please patch up now.
Oh, please. Scared hearing Rajiv's name. Rajiv, it is late now, so stop teasing my granddaughter anymore.
Oh, Grandpa, you are something. What's up, darling? Are you still afraid of my anger?
Mother? Mother, bring my
Hey, look at her.
spatula!
Look what she's trying to do. Oh
Hey,
my
hey,
lord,
hey,
what a
hey,
trouble
hey,
this is now.
Hey, stop.
I knew you would be chatting here with Gopal. Okay, Mithai, aren't we getting late? Get ready.
Mithai is going to get ready and steady. But grandfather's grandson has to make me a promise that he's not going to brawl with anyone.
I can't make any such promise. What I did to Aditya Agrawal, I should have done more. I'm sure he's a part of that conspiracy. Just that we had to let him go because we didn't have any evidence. And he left after saying such a silly dialogue. Anyway, just go.
Oof. Please, Lord, calm down, grandfather's grandson. What is going to happen? Who knows?
Okay, listen. Why didn't you let me tell everyone that we'll look for Mal in Baraipur?
Everyone would have worried. And would grandfather allow us? And we could have faced various issues.
I see. Since last night, I've been seeing that you've been acting very smart. What's the matter? Did Gopal bless you with some intelligence?
Are you wasting time now? Is all of this not foolish? Mithai is going to get ready. Should I lay down the clothes for you?
No, you don't need to do anything for me, Mithai. Your unique style of walking doesn't suit me. I feel sick, so please, you can go.
Yes, exactly that. Mithai is going. It can be challenging to understand Mithai's style. Everyone can't understand that. I know that. Side, please.
How can someone butcher the language so badly? Simply disgusting. I should keep the sketch of Makhan Mandal with me. The car can't go any further. Come, let's see.
Baraipur is such a vast place. How would we know where Makhan Mandal lives?
We are taking a chance, Mithai. What Aditya Agarwal said has made me uncomfortable, you know. Not just to prove you innocent, we need to know who's behind this conspiracy after all. If it is indeed Aditya Agarwal, I won't spare him. I'll get him arrested. He just went off on a tangent and confused me completely. I would be devastated when I found out who's behind this conspiracy. What does he mean by that?
Okay, fine. Temper, such a temper this man has. How will I handle this? Please control yourself. Mister, please give me 2 tender coconuts.
Mithai, we need more time, and on top of that, what do you want to do? Do you have any sense?
Oh, man. Having a tender coconut will cool down grandfather's grandson.
Ridiculous. It was a mistake bringing you along, you know? There was no other option. After all, who knew what you would end up doing?
Listen. Have you bought the picture you drew of Makhan Mandol?
What?
Could you give me the picture?
Madam, here,
Yes.
your tender coconut.
Here, have the tender coconut. This is a lovely tender coconut, you know. Mister, it means you have pretty high quality tender coconut, so you have brought the finest. Here, have it. Oh man! What was the need to throw away the straw?
Because it was kept in a very unclean place. And for your information, that's not a pipe, okay? It's not a pipe. It's... Who am I even educating? I would go crazy. Anyway, just focus, Sid. Focus. You are here for a challenging task. Just focus.
Focus, Mithai, focus, just focus.
Mister, just look at the picture, please. His name is Makhan Mandol. He most probably lives in this area. You have to go to so many places to sell. Please see if you can identify him.
No, I haven't seen someone like this. There's Mr. Moti's hotel. Almost everyone from this area goes there to have tea. So you can check out there. There you go.
Yes,
70 rupees.
yes. Give me money.
Thank you. So, Detective Mithai Rani, what did you find out from the tender coconut vendor? Just a waste of time, right? So silly.
Am I foolish? What about the information on Mr. Moti's eatery? He said that most of the people go there. Let's visit it.
Okay, fine, come on.
Then you should agree that Mithai is not foolish.
Mithai, please just keep quiet, okay? Just keep quiet. Hearing so much gives me a headache, you know? Come on now, please. Please come.